This is not a reissue. No. This is mint. What is it? You know what this is. We're going to open her up. And we are going to find out. But in the meantime, just feast your eyes on the stunning condition. This has not been Retolexed. This is original condition. And she's beautiful. Look at that. Unbelievable. She is in stunning original condition. This is museum quality. Unbelievable. Even the insulation is intact and in great shape. Unbelievable. Someone really cared for this. Wow. But let's take a peek. Look at that. So, the owner, after acquiring this piece, left it on for a considerable amount of time. Heard a pop, came in, the fuse was blown. Let's find out why. This Ampeg B15N is a museum piece. This is an absolute museum piece. I've never seen one like it. I've been at this for over 20 years. And when these come in, they're disasters. This is a work of art. Kind of makes you look at New Jersey in a different light, doesn't it? Except Trenton. Just messing. But beautiful. Let's get in here and figure out what's up. So, all electrolytic caps have been disconnected and test good. All vacuum tubes have been pulled. B+ winding has been disconnected from the board. And then this is what happens. We do have her on a current limited circuit. We'll just use these pilot lamps as the indicator. $60 volts. At 70 volts coming from the wall. We have the makings of a short circuit. And some sizzling noises coming from the power transformer. And I'm sad to say that the internal winding of the power transformer has shorted. And this old girl is dead.